Okay, so today in class we learned a new method called the partial quotients method. So I'm going to go over this one just like I did yesterday when we talked about the place value sections method. We're just going to kind of walk you through this one just to show you. So if you need extra help at home or practice, then you can view it there. Okay, so first I'm going to write my problem down. So I'm going to do 1,428 divided by 6. Now, with this one, what we do is we take the line and we draw all the way down like this, okay? And what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to multiply 6 times a number that would take out a chunk of this 1,428, okay? So I always tell the students I try to think of easy numbers, okay? So easy numbers that I use are things that are just easy to multiply and I can get a quick answer, okay? So for me, my easy numbers would be like multiplying times 100, okay? Or if 100 is too big, I could try multiplying times 50. If 50 is too big, I could try multiplying by 10. So those are just kind of some benchmarks that I can use to help myself. All right, so if I look at this one, I could, for the first one, I always start with 100. So I could do 6 times 100, and that would take out a chunk of this number, okay? So if I did 6 times 100, put that on this side, okay? And then when I do 6 times 100, that is 600. So I'm going to write it right here, and then I'm going to subtract, okay? So 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 0 is 2. And then I'm going to borrow. So 14 minus 6 is 8, okay? And now I have 828 left, okay? Now, I know that I could also do this again. I could do the same step, same process. I could do 6 times 100 again because I need to get basically 828. I need to try to find something that will go in that number. So I'm going to do 100 again, okay? So 6 times 100 is 600. I'm going to subtract again. So now I have 228. Now, I know I can't do 6 times 100 anymore, okay? So like I told you, I go down to 50, okay? I try 50. So 6 times 5 I know is 30. So 6 times 50 would be 300, and that's too big. That's too much, okay? So I'm going to try to bump it down some more. I could think of 6 times 40. That would give me 240. That's still too much. Okay, but 6 times 30 would be 180, and that's good enough. We can get something done there. So I'm going to do 30 here, okay? So 6 times 30 is 180. All right, and then we're going to subtract again. I'm going to have to borrow. 12 minus 8 is 4. All right, so now we're left with 48, okay? So now I know that 6 times 8 would give me 48. So I'm going to put my 8 here, 48 over here, and subtract. All right, so I don't have anything left over, but this over here on this side, I'm going to kind of highlight here for us, okay? This right here, I got to add up, and that's my answer, okay? So 100 plus 100 is 200, plus 30 is 230, plus 8 would be 238. So my answer to this problem is 238. There you go.